Bonjour et bienvenue. So in this video we will discuss about the expression avoir mal. Avoir means to have and mal has many meaning, but with avoir it is to be connected with hurt or pain. So avoir mal refers to have hurt, to feel hurt, to have pain. So generally we feel like hurt or pain in different body parts. So how can we connect different body parts with the expression avoir mal? In this video we will discuss some such expressions with the examples, of course. So let's begin with the first body part, head. Suppose if you have to say to have headache or to suffer from headache, how can you say avoir mal à la tête? Avoir mal à la tête. Remember, you have to use the preposition. Here we are using à la. You have to use the preposition according to the gender and the number of that body part. So tête, head is feminine. We are using à la. Avoir mal à la tête, which means to have headache or to suffer from headache. So in the example, in the phrase, if you have to say I have headache, how can you say j'ai mal à la tête? J'ai mal à la tête. You are using the avoir form or the conjugation j'ai. J'ai mal à la tête. I have headache. Now move on to the next body part. If you have to say about the teeth, about the toothache, how can you say? So generally it is to be used in the plural form avoir mal aux dents. Avoir mal aux dents. Avoir mal aux dents. So to have a toothache. So we have to use it in the plural form as we have the pain in one or more than one tooth at a time. So in the general sense, it is to be used in the plural form. So to have a toothache, avoir mal aux dents. How can you use in a phrase? Suppose he has a toothache, il a mal aux dents. Il a mal aux dents. He has a toothache, il a mal aux dents. Now move on to the next body part is this throat area. Throat. If you have a sore throat, if you have like some ailment, some like pain in this area, how can you say avoir mal à la gorge? À la gorge. Gorge is a throat. And why à la? Because it is feminine. Avoir mal à la gorge, to have a sore throat. To have a sore throat. You have a sore throat, suppose. How can you say tu as mal à la gorge? Tu as mal à la gorge. Now move on to the next body part. It's a very, you can say, interesting expression. It's linked with heart, but it is altogether having a different meaning. It's avoir mal au cœur. Avoir mal au cœur. Cœur is heart, but it has the meaning to feel sick, to feel discomfort, to feel nauseous, to feel like nausea. I hope you know the meaning of how you feel like nausea. So if I have to say I am feeling sick, I feel like nausea, j'ai mal au cœur. J'ai mal au cœur, and au because the heart is masculine. J'ai mal au cœur. I feel sick, I'm feeling like nausea. Now move on to the next part, stomach. If you have stomach pain, how can you say avoir mal à l'estomac? Avoir mal à l'estomac. And please note, you don't need to pronounce the final C. Avoir mal à l'estomac. And why A-L apostrophe? Because that body organ is beginning with a vowel. Avoir mal à l'estomac. So I have a stomach pain. I'm feeling stomach pain. J'ai mal à l'estomac. J'ai mal à l'estomac. Now move on to the next body part. If you have backache, if you have a back pain, how can you say avoir mal au dos? Avoir mal au dos. D-O-S, do refers to back. And O, it is masculine. Avoir mal au dos. Suppose if you are saying she suffers from backache, she has back pain, how can you say elle a mal au dos. Elle a mal au dos. Now move on to the next body part is legs. So in the general category, it is to be used in the plural form. Avoir mal aux jambes, AUX. Avoir mal aux jambes, to have leg pain. Generally, when we are tired, so we feel pain in both our legs. So in the general sense, you have to use in the plural form. Avoir mal aux jambes. So you can say, I have leg pain. Suppose, j'ai mal aux jambes. J'ai mal aux jambes. But remember, if you are like particular for leg, means right leg or a left leg, you have a pain in a right leg only, not in a left leg, due to some injury and or like that. So you can say, only in such cases you can say, suppose if you are trying to say, I have pain in my right leg. J'ai mal à la jambe droite. J'ai mal à la jambe droite. I have pain in my right leg. But be cautious in using such expression in the singular form. Normally we have to use it in the plural form, aux jambes. Aux jambes. Now move on to the next body part, is knee. So here the expression is showing the singular one. Avoir mal au genou. Genou. Avoir mal au genou. To have a knee pain, or someone having a knee hurt. So you can say avoir mal au genou. So here the expression refers to the single knee. Suppose my knee hurts, if you have to say, j'ai mal au genou. J'ai mal au genou. If you want to point out both of your knees, then only you can use it in the plural form, au genou. Only in that case. Au genou. Au genou. Now move on to the next part, is if you have to talk about your foot. Your foot aches. So in the singular form, your foot aches, your foot hurts. Avoir mal au pied. Au pied. D is not to be pronounced. Avoir mal au pied, to have a foot ache, or to have a hurt in foot. So he has a foot ache, or his foot hurts. Il a mal au pied. Il a mal au pied. So in this video, we have discussed a lot about hurt and pain. So that's all for this video. If you feel that the video is really worth, so please do share it with French language learners, and do subscribe the channel as well. So hope to meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Au revoir.